Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys! Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys! Welcome again to our video tutorial. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you will always be updated to our next video tutorial. And if you like my video, please hit the like button. And if you have suggestions or comment, please don't hesitate to comment down below in the comment section. So stay tuned! Hi guys, let us start now our video tutorial about least common multiple. Last video tutorial that we have is all about greatest common factors. And this time it is all about least common multiples. In least common multiples, there are also three methods that we can use: the listing method, the prime factorization method, and also the continuous division method. But in our case, we will just only use prime factorization method and the continuous division method. Now, without any further ado, let us start with an example. Okay, for example, we have 24 and 36. Now, let us find two factors of 24 first before we will go with 36. So, let's start with 24. So, we have 2 times 12. We can use other number other than 2 times 12. It's up to you. And then 2 is a prime number already, and 12 is still a composite number. So let's find the factors of 12. We have 2 times 6. Now 2 is a prime number and 6 is already a composite number. Is composite number. So let's find the factors of 6. So we have 2 times 3. So we're done with 24. Let's go with 36. Now we have two factors of 36. We have 2 times 18. So 2 is a prime number and 18 is a composite number. So let's find the two factors of 18. We have 2 times 9. So 2 is a prime number and 9 is already a 9 is still a composite number. So let's find the two factors of 9. We have 3 times 3, and therefore we are done using the prime factorization method of 24 and 36. Now this time, let us list down their prime factors. Okay, let's start with 24. We have 2, another 2, another 2, and 3. Now let's try to write it beside 24. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now we're done with 24. Let's go with 36. We have 2, 2, 3, and 3. So let us write them down beside 36. So we have 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Now this time, let us find the partners. We have first 2. So one number each partner. Another 2. Write down one number each partner. And 3. Another one number from each partner. Now the difference here in LCM is that we will also include the numbers that don't have any partner. Okay, so we have 2 and 3. So 2 times 3. We will include the 2 and the 3 whose number don't have any partner because we are now looking for the LCM. So that is their differences between LCM and GCF. And our LCM, or least common multiple, will be 72. That is how you're going to find the least common multiples of a two given numbers. Let's try another example. We have 12 and 16. Let us find first the factors of 12 before we will go with 16. So we have 2 times 6. Now 2 is already a prime number and 6 is still a composite number. So let us find the factors of 6. So we have 2 times 3. Now 2 and 3 are already prime numbers. Therefore, we are done with 12. Let's go with 16. We have 2 times 8. Now 2 is a prime number and 8 is still a composite number. So let us find the factors of 8. We have 2 times 4. 2 is already a prime number and 4 is still a composite number. So let's find the factors of 4. We have 2 times 2. Now we are done with 16. So what are we going to do next is that we will list down their prime factors. So we have 12 and 16. Let's start with 12. We have 2, 2, and 3. Now let us write them beside 12. So we have 2 times 2 times 3. Now let's go with 16. We have 2, 2, another 2, and another 2. So we will write them down beside 16. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now let us find the common or numbers with partner. So we have the first 2. So write one number each partner, another 2, one number each partner, and write also all the numbers that don't have any partner. We have 3, 2, and another 2. So multiply all the numbers. We have come up with a product of 48. Therefore, 48 will be our least common multiples. Okay, so we're done with prime factorization method. Let's go with the continuous division method in finding the least common multiple. So for example, we have 40 and 60. Let us try to find a number that we can divide with 40 and 60. We can use 5 or you can use other numbers such as 10. Now let us divide 40 by 5. 40 divided by 5, that is 8, and 60 divided by 5, that is 12. Now there is still a number that we can divide with 8 and 12, which is 2. So let us divide it by 2. 8 divided by 2, 4. 12 divided by 2, that is 6. Now 4 and 6, there is still a number that we can divide with 4 and 6. So let us divide it by 2. So 4 divided by 2, that is 2. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Now in GCF, or greatest common factor, we only multiply all the numbers in the left side. Now here in the least common multiples, we are going to multiply or include the numbers below. So this method, I call this method as L multiplication. So we will multiply the 5 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And we will come up with 120 as our least common multiples. And that is how we are going to find the least common multiples using continuous division. Let's have another example. We have 24 and 36. Now let us find the factors or a number that we can divide with 24. We have 2. Now divide 24 by 2, we have 12. 36 by 2, that is 18. Now there is still a number that we can divide with 12 and 18, that is 2. And we have 12 divided by 2, that is 6. 18 divided by 2, that is 9. 6 and 9 still have a number that we can divide, which is 3. So let us divide 6 by 3, that is 2. And 9 divided by 3, that is 3. Now we are done dividing numbers, so let us multiply all the numbers outside from the left and all include the bottom. number. We have 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 3. And we will come up with an answer of 72. Therefore, 72 will be our least common multiple using continuous division method. So that's all for our video tutorial and least common multiple. I hope that you learned something out from our video tutorial. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you'll always be updated to our next video tutorial. And if you like my video, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to comment your suggestions or ideas, you can comment it down in the comment section. So see you again in our next video tutorial. Bye, my little mathematician. God bless.